Just a large for only $1.
It's out. You take it out and rinse it off, and you're left with this beautiful piece of meat.
Then she adds an agave sumac glaze and grills it to a crunchy crisp. Traditional Apache diets are tied to the seasons. Pack rats are typically foraged between December and February.
600 ESPN El Paso. Have a great day.
Have you noticed bad behavior?